command line, terminal, console. Hello, maybe you're new to Linux, maybe you're a veteran. If you've started using KDE Plasma recently, you might notice that your desktop shortcut, or rather your keyboard shortcut, Ctrl-Alt-T, doesn't work. If for some reason this doesn't work for you, just go Settings, System Settings, Shortcuts, Add Application, System, Console. And by default, it'll stick to Ctrl-Alt-T. You could just close this window and then hit your Ctrl-Alt-T, and it'll pop open your terminal window. Why is this function, which always was built into my Linux systems, no longer working by default? I don't know, but it's a really easy thing to re-enable. And then Ctrl-Alt-T, Ctrl-Alt-T. You could open as many windows as you want. Console 3, Console 2. Yeah. Ctrl-Alt-T. It's so much more useful than Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Have a good day. As a bonus for the people who still use Windows, why are you even watching this video? I love you, please don't leave. Did you know that if you hit Ctrl-Shift-Escape, you'll also open Task Manager, bypassing the need to hit Ctrl-Alt-Delete? Until we meet again!